Hello students, my name is Albert Einstein, but most people nowadays just call me Einstein. I was born on March 14th, 1879, which happens to be Friday, my favorite number. I know so many digits, 3.1415925. Oh, I am so sorry, that is not important right now. Anyways, a little bit about myself. I was born in a small city in the German Empire and my family is Jewish. When I was 15 years old, they moved to Italy, but I stayed in Munich to finish my schooling. However, I didn't like it very much. High school was quite boring. Anyways, when I was 16, I tried to get into the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, but I didn't get accepted. I didn't have good enough scores. I did have good grades in physics and mathematics, so they're my favorite subjects. When I was 17, I tried again and I was accepted. So to make a long story short, I eventually earned a PhD. I wrote many groundbreaking papers on physics, mathematics, and other scientific works. I was recognized as a leading scientist. I became the president of the German Physical Society. Oh, and in my spare time, I also earned the Nobel Peace Prize in Physics. And those are only some of my accomplishments. When the Nazis began to take power in Germany, that is when I immigrated to the United States. Okay, so enough about me, let's have a science lesson. My most famous theory is the theory of relativity. This means that the measurement of motion is relative on velocity and the position of the observer. So for example, let's say you have two people on a train and they're playing ping pong for some reason. The train is moving 30 meters per second north and the ball is moving 2 meters per second to the people that are playing ping pong. But to somebody who is standing on the train platform, the ball appears to be moving 32 meters per second north. That is the theory of relativity. The velocity of an object is dependent on the observer, who they are, and where they are standing. I also created one of the most famous formulas. You have probably heard of it. E equals mc squared. E equals energy, m equals mass, of course, and c is the constant speed of light. This formula explains the relationship between energy and mass and the possibility of transforming mass into energy. This is very important when we were developing the nuclear bomb, which I had a part of. I also had a big part of quantum mechanics and chemistry, which I helped prove that the atom does exist. This is a diagram of an atom, by the way. This is very helpful to you students because now you get to learn about them in class. So I hope you have a wonderful day today. Thank you for your time. And remember, learn from yesterday, live for today, and hope for tomorrow. And the most important thing is never stop questioning. Auf Wiedersehen!